This is Aio Te Noho. He was a very famous chief who resided in the Hawke's Bay area. At one time he was in the South Island. His wife, Hini Rakahanga, was left at the village in the Hawke's Bay. While he was away, two men arrived at the village called Kiwi and Wika, and Hini Rakahanga quickly fell in love with Kiwi and decided to run away with him and Wika. They first went over to the west coast to her family before making a journey down the west coast to Pukurua Bay. When Ho found out about this adultery, he became very angry and swore revenge on his wife and her and the adulterer and his slave, and made his way over the west coast. And then as he found out she had headed south, he made his way south. He named rivers like Whanganui, Whangaehu, Turakina, Oho, Otaki, Waikanai, named this area Paraparaumu, named Paikakariki. Eventually he arrived in Pukurua Bay, where he turned Kiwi and Wika into birds. As you see, the flightless birds that we have today, the Kiwi and the Wika. And he sent Hine Rakahanga out to the ocean to get seafood, where he placed a spell on her and turned her into stone. From there on in, she was known as Wairaka, and you can see here at the point at Pukurua Bay, still standing there today.